Alright, we're back with the Maxon PC-50 49 MHz radios, and you may remember from the previous video that the rubber duck antenna on one of the examples is falling apart. So I don't think this is a standard, and I can't get this to focus. Hold on. I don't think this is a standard size, but I went ahead and disassembled the radio, which is easy to do. It's only 5 screws, and the case comes off like you would expect it would. You do have to remove the belt clip. There is a single screw in the middle of the case in the back that holds it all together. You can see the hole right there for that screw. Here's the main PCB. That says revision 02. Pretty straightforward. There's your 10.240 megahertz oscillator. And what we're looking for is the antenna connection, where it connects to the rest of the transmitter and receiver, a transceiver circuit, I should say. It does look, and I haven't gone online to try to find a schematic of this, but I'm sure I could pretty easily. I don't think I need to, because it does look like the antenna connection is right there. Yep, there's a screw. Sorry the focus is so bad, but I think it's... does appear that this black wire right here is the antenna connection. So it would not be too difficult, I don't think, for me to modify this to fit a different size screw. The hole itself is actually pretty big, and I imagine would fit, you know, a standard telescopic whip replacement antenna. So that remains to be seen, but as far as I can tell, I can't find any information about these being radios being taken apart, excuse me, or any modifications done to them. So it might be possible, it might not be, but that's for later on. Alright, there you have it. Maxon PC-50 49 megahertz FM transceiver disassembled.